Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with keyword tool for affiliates targeting USA searches. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the keyword tool website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the center of the page. Type in a seed keyword relevant to your affiliate niche. Select the country option and choose United States from the drop-down menu. Click on the search button to generate keyword suggestions. After a few moments, a list of keywords related to your seed keyword will appear. Review the suggested keywords for relevance to your affiliate products. Pay attention to search volume and competition level for each keyword. Identify long-tail keywords that may have less competition but good search volume. Click on any keyword to see additional data, such as trends and related phrases. Take note of keywords that you find particularly valuable for your content strategy. You can filter the results to show only questions or prepositions to refine your list. Explore the top 10 keywords section for high-performing options. Once you have your list of keywords, consider exporting the data. Look for the export feature, usually located at the top of the keyword list. Select your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel, for easy analysis. Open the exported file in your spreadsheet program to organize your keywords. Prioritize the keywords based on their potential impact on your affiliate marketing efforts. Integrate these keywords into your content strategy, including blog posts and video descriptions. Regularly return to the keyword tool to update your keyword list and stay current with trends. This setup will enhance your affiliate marketing strategy targeting the USA effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.